In the bright blue waters of the eastern seas, there lived a mermaid named Arya.
She could talk to the
She had a
stars.
special talent. Every night, Arya would swim to the surface and gaze up at the twinkling sky, feeling like the stars were her friends. One night, while Arya was looking at the stars, she noticed something strange. 2 of the stars were missing. This made Arya very worried. She knew these stars were the celestial twins, who kept the ocean and the sky in balance. Without them, the sea could become wild, and the stars could lose their shine. Arya decided she had to find the celestial twins and bring them back. She asked her wise friend, Elder Aqualus the sea turtle, where they could be. "They've been captured by the wicked sea witch Morgath," Elder Aqualus said. "You must save them before it's too late." With determination in her heart, Arya set off on her adventure. Along the way, she met magical creatures like the moon dolphins, who lit up the ocean with their glow, and the sky mantas, who showed her the safest paths through the deep waters. Finally, Arya reached Morgath's dark lair. It was a scary place, full of swirling whirlpools and tricky traps. But Arya wasn't alone. She had met a young astronomer named Orion who knew a lot about the stars. Together, they were a great team. Inside the lair, Arya and Orion found the celestial twins trapped in a cage made of starry chains. Morgath tried to stop them with her dark magic. But Arya used her star powers to break the chains, and Orion used his knowledge to outsmart the witch. They freed the twins, who then used their magic to banish Morgath forever. As a thank you, the celestial twins gave Arya and Orion a special gift, a shining star pendant. This pendant would let them call on the stars whenever they needed help. From that day on, Arya and Orion became the protectors of the sea and the sky. And every night, when the stars shined brightly, they knew it was because of their bravery and friendship. Lesson: this story teaches kids about the importance of teamwork, bravery, and using their unique talents to help others. It also introduces the idea of balance in nature, showing how everything is connected, from the ocean to the stars.